In this short video, we're going to discuss why business owners hate LinkedIn. Some would say that you're using it wrong. We're going to do something different in this video. We're not going to go into the why business owners hate LinkedIn. We already know why, especially if you hate LinkedIn, you already know why you hate LinkedIn. We don't need to get into that. You've been waiting long enough. Let's get straight into the sauce of this video. I'm going to show you an example, and then we're going to talk about why business owners hate LinkedIn and the theories behind it. Now, I want you to take a look at my profile. It's an ideal profile that's set up like a business, like a landing page. And we can actually help you out with this. We're going to leave some links below. As you can see here, first to find out what the business is about. Your website isn't the problem. What it's missing is. We know that artificial intelligence is out there, and because of that, tons of people are creating websites, right? But have you done the homework? Do you know what sells and what doesn't sell on a website in your niche? So what we're doing is we're researching, we're giving a report to the people that we help. If they book an appointment, we're going to research their website, we're going to research their niche, and we're going to give them a full report on the strengths and the weaknesses of the competition, 100 different websites, the industry leaders. And we're going to tell them what are the weaknesses and strengths of their website so they can monopolize on the weaknesses of their competition, as well as amplify the strengths. And many times business owners, they don't even have the right offers on their website. So that's what we're doing here. That's the purpose of this landing page, or I'm sorry, my profile. This is what yours should look like. It's in battle mode. Book a 45, book an appointment. As you can see here, we discovered the number one reason your website does not make sales or book appointments. Let's diagnose your site together and weed out the usual suspects. Schedule a one-on-one call. Okay, this is what the ideal landing page, I'm sorry, profile should look like. And we even help you out with this if you need some help. We're going to leave the links below. So as you scroll down, most websites don't have a traffic problem. So I like to leave it like this because if people want to find out more, they're going to click that. Okay, what else is this guy talking about? I like to put the brain there because it's designed to encourage the thought process. But this is beautiful. When they scroll down, you see it's a big landing page. Why this website gets no traffic? So we're showing a video where we actually critiqued a client's website. So this is paying clients that we're critiquing right here, which is extremely valuable. That's what we're claiming that we do, obviously, and that's what the landing page is about. 55 plus paying clients. So we're showing customer reviews. 5 reasons why your website never made any sales. So when people visit our website, this is exactly what they're looking at, guys. Book the one-on-one call. See where this leads. My computer's a little bit slow, but it leads to Calendly, as you can see here. Right? That's what's going. It's a little bit slow uploading. I got so many, maybe I should close some of my windows in the other browser. That's where it's leading. See? Website conversion intelligence report. What's that going to take you? It's going to take you to the actual report that we're actually making for clients so they can see what it looks like, the critique. They're getting a thorough analysis of the website. This is not fluff. This is official analysis of our website in comparison to 100 other websites that belong to industry leaders. When you scroll a little bit deeper, we got our articles here, our newsletter, Marketing Science Weekly, where we're teaching what we know. Okay, it gets deeper. And then we have our experiences. It's a well crafted. If you ask me, it's probably almost virtually a perfect profile. I'm pretty sure you can find somebody to take a look and see something that we need to improve on. Then we have tons of customer reviews. Actually, we have 11 here, but we have 55 customer reviews in total. So this is what the landing page needs to look like. It is a landing page. So when people get here, this is what they're going to see. We're selling ourselves. But how do you get people to your profile? And this is where most business owners go wrong. And I'm going to explain it by means of this blog post that we have on our website. The smartest entrepreneurs spend more time in the feed than creating posts. See, people use LinkedIn like a garbage dump for content, an infinite black hole. People aren't even paying attention to what's going on. And that's the reason why they're not finding clients. They're not engaging the community. They're not saying thank you, supporting the community. Say, for instance, if you learned anything new in this video and you're hanging around to now, you can support this post. You can support this our channel by subscribing or leaving a like or sharing this video. Will you do it? That same spirit that prevents you from doing it is the reason why you're not finding clients, because you're not participating in the conversations. You're not engaging. The misconception that most people have about social media it's always, and you have to blame the algorithm because every major social media community, Facebook, LinkedIn, um, X, TikTok, they always start off with massive organic reach. Millionaires are made in that window. Now, when the social media community, once it accumulates like a billion users, it shuts off the algorithm. And now it's like you're fighting for drugs. You're fighting for that hit, and because of that, it has misled many business owners into believing that all you have to do is show up and post content. Oh, I'm not making any sales. You're not engaging. You're not supporting the community. We're going to leave this link below so we explain these concepts. Okay, and also there's another video that we have on our YouTube channel called Unorthodox Digital Marketing Solutions. You do not need the algorithm to find paying clients. That's the reason why we have so many paying clients. So this is awesome. You got to check this out. But if you like to book an appointment, download a PDF about how we're helping business owners. This is actually pretty inexpensive right now to book a consultation. Actually, to book our help. That's what we're going to do. We're going to show you what we're doing online. We got tons of social proof here, engagement that you can find on our content that's virtually unseen of on any content in LinkedIn. If you're using it, sometimes when you see these engagement, how are they doing that stuff? We're going to show you how people are doing it. Okay, you're going to be pretty intrigued, guys. Sign up, because right now this is a new landing page. Right now we're going cheap. Once we get the wind underneath our wings, guys, this is going to be a lot more expensive. So that's what you have to do. You have to, first of all, you have to fix your landing page. That's number one. Okay. Number two, you have to engage the community. You're just showing up and you're throwing trash into the community. You're not participating. You're not engaging. You're not getting into conversations. How do you do that? We're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you how to network on the LinkedIn platform and build relationships. Okay. And what else do I have for you? Now, and this is the part of the reason why business owners, they hate the LinkedIn platform because they're not doing this, right? And this is exactly what you have to do to produce the results. Also, once you start to engage people, right? And once they start to visit your landing page, then what's going on with your website? You know what I mean? Is the right offers on your page? So it's really a three-step game. Are you engaging business owners on the platform? Are you supporting the community? Thank you. I appreciate for you liking my content, like real life. You're not going to jump out the bushes on somebody and tell them to buy a product. That's weird. You have to engage people the same way you engage people in real life. Hello, how you doing? Take a look at their content. Engage, and that's where the money is made. But first, it starts with your strategy of engagement. Number one, you have to hook up your sales page. I'm sorry, your profile, and then your website has to be on point. It has to be in alignment with what the market is looking for. Most people don't even know what the market is. Okay, it's actually two parts of your market. We're going to explain to you what the market actually is so you can start to gather the information that you need to make your business stand out. So, like I said, there's tons of people that hate the LinkedIn platform. For the first 5 years of me using LinkedIn, I didn't like it, to be honest with you. I started online 10 years ago, and since then, I felt as though LinkedIn was the most unforgiving platform. No engagement whatsoever. I'm like, what's going on with this platform? I was using Facebook when there's a lot more engagement back then. Instagram, I used to get 200-300 likes, comments. This is 10 years ago. And LinkedIn was a rock in the water, and I couldn't figure it out. But finally, I figured the game out. Guys, I'm going to leave the links below. Read a little bit more about the strategies. The smartest entrepreneurs spend more time in the feed than creating posts. And book an appointment. I'm going to coach you. And I also have a community in which I'm going to coach you in with other business owners on the inside. So you get into coaching, getting the full knowledge, as well as the community. We can congregate as well as mastermind strategies in order to succeed on the LinkedIn platform. This is going for real cheap right now. I don't know how long it's going to go for that, but if you got to get down now, let's build, guys. I'm not going to say let's collaborate. You should use that word because that's not what we're doing. I'm actually selling you a service. Okay. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.